Excuse me, can you hold that for a second?
Sure.
Thanks. Thanks. Oh. Do I know you from somewhere?
Mm-mm.
This is fun.
Annoying a stranger?
I'm Jack. And you are?
Heather?
Nice to meet you, Heather.